Copy link tapos lagay mo sa Messenger.
Dito na. People, 1%. Hi everybody! Kamusta po kayong lahat? Yep, papunta na po akong airport. I'm on the way to the airport. I'm leaving on a jet plane. I don't know when I'll be back again. August 5, I'll be back. Today is the day, guys. I'm leaving on a jet plane. And syempre, may kasama ako na maghahatid sa akin na ganda-ganda, cute-cute. Mhm. Lag po ba, guys?